This is an important and big news if you are in the world of audiobooks and you want to monetize them. Not only on Audible, that's an important and famous platform, but here on Spotify you can now use digital voices and, to be precise, ElevenLabs digital voices to read and monetize your audiobooks. Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video, that's what I'll talk about, but not only, because ElevenLabs also has other improvements. I will show them. But first, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. So, let's say you have an audiobook, maybe you wrote your book by yourself, maybe you created it by using AI, that's an option, and one of the highest costs in producing an audiobook is the voiceover, for sure. Now you can produce your audiobook with ElevenLabs. You already was able to do it, but as you can see here, now Spotify is accepting audiobooks narrated by ElevenLabs. This is very important because it becomes a little bit easier to monetize your audiobooks. Obviously, they need to be interesting for your audience, but this is a really great tool now. As you can see here, more people are listening to audiobooks than ever before, but for many independent authors, getting an audio version of their work published on major platforms has been expensive and time-consuming. Until now, because now, again, with ElevenLabs you can do it. There's an option, it's called Find Way Voices in Spotify. You can reach a wide array of leading audiobook retailers and choose the price you want to sell your content at zero upfront cost. You keep 100% of the royalties when premium listeners listen to your content on Spotify, and 80% of the royalties on all other platforms. A very big opportunity. And with ElevenLabs this is really easy because as you can see here, you go to Studio, you create an audiobook. By uploading your document, you can edit your voice or voices, make it perfect, and then you click Publish to Spotify. You need to create an account with Findaway Voices, and that's pretty much it. You can monetize your audiobook. And for listeners, this is important, all digitally narrated titles will be clearly marked in the metadata on Spotify and across the other retailers. So there will be this sentence, this audiobook is narrated by a digital voice. But as you may know, with ElevenLabs you can create natural voices. This is the best AI voice tool you can find on the market. Here I'm in my ElevenLabs account. As you can see, you have here some news. I will also talk about Scribe in a moment, but here in the studio section, these are your options. They are even more than before: instant speech, audiobook, AI agent, podcast, sound effect, dubbed video. You go to audiobook and you need to upload your document and select all your options. And that's it, it's really easy to do. You may try if you have a book you want to publish with audio. I don't really know how much you can earn with it, but that's an option you have, and it's pretty exciting to know that Spotify, with a very large audience, can now accept digital voices audiobooks. If you check in the description of this video, you will find the link to subscribe to ElevenLabs. If you are not subscribed, you can start for free with the free plan. I don't think you will be able to use this option, obviously, even because you have some limits, obviously, in the minutes of audio you can generate. So you will need another plan, probably from creator up to the pro, but that's business, obviously. Again, link is in the description, it's my affiliate link, so thank you if you will use it. But ElevenLabs also launched ElevenReader Publishing. This is another option related to audiobooks. As you can see here, less than 5% of books are released as audiobooks. So, a staggering number of stories remain unread. Why? Because traditional audiobook production can be slow, complex, and expensive. But now you have ElevenReader Publishing, and you can turn your books, articles, PDFs into audio with ElevenReader app. And the news is this one. Now we are opening ElevenReader Publishing to everyone, the fastest, zero-cost way to convert your book into a professional-grade audiobook with a built-in distribution on the ElevenReader iOS and Android app. So this is something different from the Spotify thing. Again, you can click the link in the description, you can go to these pages and see by yourself how all these features work. As you can see here, import your book, preview your audio, publish your audiobook. That's all really easy to do. But ElevenLabs also released Scribe. Scribe is the most accurate speech-to-text model. So this is the opposite of text-to-speech. It's speech-to-text. It's a transcription model. They say the world's most accurate transcription model, 99 languages, word-level timestamps, speaker diarization, audio event tagging, and so on. Many features, even for Scribe. They made some benchmarks, and it consistently outperforms leading models like Gemini 2.0, Flash, Whisper, even DeepGram Nova 3, with a very high accuracy, for example 98.7% in Italian and 96.7% in English and 97% in other languages, with also some of the most difficult languages for this task, for instance Serbian, Cantonese, Malayalam, I think it's pronounced like this, where competing models often exceed 40% word error rates. So again, another very important feature for ElevenLabs. This tool is really becoming a must-have if you want to work with digital voices, in this case speech-to-text or text-to-speech, and not only because you also have the voice changer, the sound effects generator, you have dubbing, you have conversational AI, so you can generate conversational bots, you have AI agent, you can generate podcasts, I already made a video about it, and you can do pretty much everything with super high quality. You can even clone your voice in a professional way, earn money by cloning your voice and sharing it with the community. Again, I made a video about it, I will leave the links here in the description, and all this for a pretty affordable cost. These are the plans you can start from with ElevenLabs. You obviously have even the highest ones, but probably you should be okay with these ones. And that's it. Don't underestimate this opportunity, because this is a pretty good one in my opinion. This is the partnership between ElevenLabs and Spotify, an opportunity for you to earn money with audiobooks. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can click here and watch for some of my old videos about ElevenLabs. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.